Hi, welcome to another edition of Ask Profile Builder. Today I want to show you how you can use the Facebook social media plugin called Add a Comment to any web page that you want. Now, what we're looking at here is the most common version of the Facebook comment field, and we're on Profile Builder's own Facebook wall here, and you can see an example of where we've left a post, and one of our followers has left a comment using the comment facility there, and we've left a comment back, and that's all great engagement. But what the social media Add a Comment plugin does is enable you to add that facility into any web portal, any web space. So as an example, I want to show you how that works elsewhere. So here's a great example, one of Profile Builder's clients called Annie's Market Garden, and we're currently looking at the Profile Builder interface custom tab that we installed on the Facebook business page of Annie's Market Garden. So you can see there that there's a number of pages that they've got that we've set up. We're on the landing page, but I'm going to scroll down and just show how the comment social media plugin works and adds that comment functionality. So you can see that it automatically senses who is the reader of the page via your own login, and at the moment it's mine, so you can see my little icon there, and that allows me to leave any comment that I want. As soon as I hit that blue comment button, that comment is added to my own Facebook wall, but it's also added as a little comment dialog there beneath the page. So it's a great way to drive social proof. You can see the page's readers and followers and what they're saying. It's a great way to create engagement. So let's show you how to do this yourself. What I'm going to do now is just navigate back to Profile Builder's own Facebook business page and show you how that works on our own page. So we're currently looking at one of our own custom tabs, and here's our content. I'm going to show you how we've used that comment field on the bottom of the page, so you can see there one of our comments there. But today, as an exercise, I'm going to show you how to add this. So we'll use one of our other custom tabs here, Become a Reseller. I'll click on that. And you can see, I'll scroll down to the bottom, there's no add a comment fields there. So this is where we're going to add it. So what we need to do, first things first, each of these custom tabs has got a unique URL. So what I need to do is copy that, because we're going to use that to create the comment field in this space. So next of all, we're going to have to go back to the wall, and this is where we go in to get that social plugin. So click top right, edit page, and you'll see that opens up this column on the left with various features, and we're looking at the one that says resources. That's where we can do this work. Again, halfway down you'll see a little live link called Use Social Plugins. That's what we want. And again, a whole bunch of social plugins which we could cover on another day. We're specifically looking for comment. Here we are in the Facebook social plugins section where we can manipulate the comment field. So the first thing is to paste the unique URL destination for where the page, in effect, where you want the comment box to be added. Next, you can set the number of post comments visible, and 6 is a good number. You could be 2, 3, whatever you want. Next field is where you can set the width of that comment box to fit. 500 is a good width for Profile Builder Facebook interface app clients, because that's actually the width of the field within Facebook. Next, there's a drop down that allows you to define whether to have a light colour scheme, which is the one that you can see below, or a dark colour scheme. We prefer the light, so just click back to that. And then the last field, this is where you can get the code that little bit of work has created. So click the box and you'll see two items, number 1 and number 2. All you need to do is highlight the number 2 code from the very start to the last character, do a copy, and that's the code that we're now going to take using this example of one of Profile Builder's custom tabs into our content management system. So this is where we'll drop that code for it to appear on this first opportunity page. So to edit that, click on the red edit buttons for that first page, and as you'll see, it opens the edit field. So we're going to scroll right to the bottom, which is where we want the comment box to go. Now I'm creating a line of asterisks, and the reason for this will become apparent in a second when we go to toggle to the HTML view. To add the HTML code that we've just created in Facebook, we need to add it to the HTML on our website, or in this case the Facebook application. So top row of our toolbar there, it says toggle HTML view. Click that and you'll see a large page of spaghetti-like HTML code. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see that nice visible row of asterisks. Literally highlight it, and that's where you'll paste. You'll see that pasted code adds there. So we must remember to toggle back to normal view. Now you won't see it yet, but what we need to do is click update, and as soon as we do, that code will place a comment box on this page, wherever this page is, and this is, in this instance, it's in Facebook. So click update. We'll navigate back to the Facebook page where this application sits. We'll do a refresh. So we'll reload the page so that the new content should be visible. So if we scroll down to the bottom of that page, lo and behold, there's that new add a comment feature. So your readers, or our readers in this instance, can add whatever they want as a comment about the page, and giving you that engagement that we all need from Facebook. Hope that's been helpful. I know it can be a little bit complex using HTML for some people. Have a go, you'd be surprised. Alternatively, give us a call at Profile Builder. Our number is 0333 444 8044. See you next time.